Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can change some option under performance with preferences. So we can use the shortcut to open the preferences by holding Ctrl K, or you can just click on edit under preferences. We have this performance. So the first thing with performance, we have this GPU, which is graphical processing unit performance, which unfortunately not available for my PC. It's not, as you can see, compatible GPU not available because my graphic card is not NVIDIA, so that's why I can see the options here is not compatible. So if your PC is running with NVIDIA graphic card, definitely you can see this option, which is GPU performance and also animated zoom. You can click on more info if you need to get more info of this GPU performance. And also I can see this GPU details under performance. So I can see the vendor, which is Intel. I can see the device, which is Intel RHD Graphics 3000. I can see the version and also total memory. And if I want to see the system info, so I can click on show the system info. So the whole text which is selected here is give me the system info. I can just click on copy to clipboard. So with performance, the really important option which I can change here is this others, which is history is status. So if you click at this history status, you can see we have 50, we have 100, we have 200. So these numbers are the numbers that I can set the number of undo that I want to do here with my artwork. So if you select this 50 and click on OK. Now if I start working on any artwork, so I can use the shortcut, so I can undo 50 times. You can just click on edit, so we have this undo color, or you can use this Ctrl C, so we can undo 50 times. So I just wanted to show you can use the shortcut to undo 50 times. If you just click on performance, you can go with 100, you can go with 200. This is really useful, and also this is going to help you a lot with different artwork if you need to undo, and you can set the number of undos from this list. You can go with 50, 100 and 200. And here we have real-time drawing and editing. So let me put my cursor right here and read this message for you guys. When on, if a lag is found, the drawing and editing experience will change to non-real-time. Note, the real-time experience is available only when GPU preview mode is on. So when you turn on this GPU performance, which is not available with my PC, so here with a view you're going to get that preview, but with my PC it's not compatible, so that's why I can see that preview right here. So the only things that I can see to preview, which is this overprint preview, pixel preview, and trim preview. So this is how you can change some options. You can turn this GPU performance and the preferences with your Illustrator. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.